ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ TV9 ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್.
ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ कोरोना.
देश में कोरोना संक्रमित मरीजों की संख्या और बढ़ गई है.
Namaskar. Welcome to the bulletin. The COVID-19 cases throughout the globe hits 35 lakh plus cases. The statistics of countries in high alerts are USA 11,50,000 plus cases, Spain and Italy 2,50,000 plus cases, France and UK 1,50,000 plus cases. With 40,000 plus cases, India stands 15th position.
What is COVID-19? Novel coronavirus is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus which was detected in the Wuhan city, China on December 2019. Coronavirus are large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS). These viruses can mutate rapidly, resulting in the 2019 new coronavirus, that is novel coronavirus, named as SARS coronavirus, which has crown-like spike that characterizes the family, and its incubation period is 1 to 14 days.
Total number of cases and deaths are increasing day by day as each infected active carrier of the virus has typical potential to infect 2 to 3 subsequent healthy persons. There are several ways that coronavirus can be transmitted. Chiefly, person who often travels from one place to another can transmit the virus from infected area to uninfected area. Standing close to someone who is infected can put you into risk. The infected droplets can land on your hand and can be transmitted by simple hand shaking. It can also be transmitted through hugging and kissing. Viruses are transmitted with contaminated hands touching mouth, eye, nose. The virus can also be transmitted by sharing infected person's drinks or personal things such as cell phones, lappy, etc. It can be transmitted through poor environmental hygiene like spitting. Close contact with infected domestic animal or infected animal meat can increase the risk of transmission. Consuming unwashed vegetables may have a risk of transmission. The virus is known to survive on different surfaces such as lift buttons, staircase handles, tabletops, etc. Unnecessary gathering of people at one place might increase the risk of transmission. Negligency of social distancing by not maintaining accurate distance between two persons such as malls or religious places. Use of unhygienic public toilet can also be transmitted by public transport. Sneezing or coughing of an infected person without covering their mouth. Carrying infected person with cough and fever symptoms. Vulnerable groups such as elderly, children and deceased persons are at high potential to acquire this virus. Coronavirus once infected, most people experience mild symptoms including sore throat, headache, fever, a dry cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, and so also serious symptoms such as pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome and kidney failure.
How to prevent COVID-19?
Avoid traveling from one place to another place. Follow screening tests if necessary. Self-quarantine for 14 days if you feel sick or unwell. Wear a face mask if in a public places. Instead of shaking hands or hugging, encourage for namaste or waving hands. Frequent use of sanitizers to keep your hands clean. Wash your hands often by using soap and water or an alcohol-based solution. Avoid touching mouth, eyes, nose after touching contaminated surfaces. Avoid direct droplet contact by sneezing or coughing within your bent elbow. Do not spit in public places to avoid the spread of droplets. Avoid gathering as a crowd in malls, religious places or social functions. Frequent pressing of lift buttons by bare fingers can be replaced by using a pen or elbow. Self-protective measures should be taken while caring of vulnerable groups. Keep yourself updated through Arogya Setu app. Follow Ayurvedic diet advised as by Ayush. If you feel unwell, stay at home and follow the directions of your local health authority by calling Central Helpline number 1075 or by calling Karnataka State Helpline number 104. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is process, working together is success. This is how we can beat COVID-19 through strength and unity.
I am compassionate and loyal.
I am selfless and dedicated.
I care, I motivate.
I am strong, I am independent.
I am a nurse, the brave hearts of nation. Let's beat COVID-19.